Yeah, what's up, guys? Here's a very quick camera comparison between these two devices. This is the Elephone A5 and the Xiaomi Redmi 7. Why am I doing this? Both devices are budget stroke mid-range devices, and a lot of people have been making comments about the Elephone A5 that is a terrible camera. You know, saying the camera quality is terrible, it's not good. You know, I don't mislead people when I do reviews, and this is gonna be my think third time I'm going to be doing this video, because I remember I did it with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and here again I'm going to compare this Elephone A5 with the Xiaomi Redmi 7. I don't know which one will come out better. I don't know. Maybe there's going to be a slightly different between them. I don't know. Maybe it's going to be a big margin. But I just got a point to prove here that this Elephone A5, as I mentioned earlier in my videos, that this camera is not too bad for what you're paying. You know, some people say it's a terrible camera, don't buy this phone. You know, that just make me feel very uncomfortable, you know, about making reviews about phones, because if you're saying that is a terrible camera, probably you got a terrible device. You know, probably you got a batch from the factory. You know, that doesn't mean you should make a general judgment about the devices, you know. So what I'm going to be showing you next is the footage. I want to concentrate more on the picture, but I would still like to make a very quick video, you know, a very quick video. On the spec sheet of the Elephone A5 is a triple camera sensor, and as you can see, it's got 12, 5, and 3, you know, pixel per sensors. And the Xiaomi Redmi 7, you know, I like the picture quality on the Xiaomi Redmi 7, but I don't know if when compared to Elephone A5, maybe there's going to be a big difference. I don't know if Xiaomi will comes out better. I don't know, but I'm here to see this, and I hope you guys can take your time to look at the pictures carefully too. So the sensor on the Xiaomi Redmi 7 is 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel. It's a dual camera sensor. So I'm just going to jump straight into the pictures and the video taken on these devices now. All right, guys. This is the footage. You know, I'm currently filming on both devices now. What I can see, I think the Elephone A5 is overexposed in video quality, but the sharpness, oh my god, I think there's a lot of sharpness on it. Why the Xiaomi, I wouldn't say overexposed, but kind of a little bit soft, you know, kind of soft. I've got strong colors on the Elephone A5, on the Xiaomi Redmi 7, kind of a toned down color. I don't know, maybe it's the screen brightness. I could be wrong. I'll be able to verify this properly when I go on the computer. You know, I don't want to, you know, this is not about the video, the footage. It's just more of a camera quality, you know. It is more of a camera quality. So what I'm going to be showing is, I'm just going to walk around and see if I think the Elephone A5 did not have the optical image stabilization. That's all I know. I don't know about the Xiaomi Redmi 7. I did not read anything about it where it says optical image stabilization. So I will try and focus on the micro object. I'm just looking for the micro object. I like this place. There's a lot of color variations in this place, so you can see how how both devices interpret the color. You know, the green grass is very contrast, too much of contrast on the Elephone A5. That's the only thing I noticed. Why the Xiaomi Redmi 7 still soft, but it's not as sharp, as crisp as the Elephone A5. I'm trying to find a micro object. Let me look for a micro object. Let me just walk around. I want to see how they both handle micro objects, you know. This is just walking around, you know, holding the tripod while both hold on the tripod. So let's see how the optical image stabilization does function here. Let's see how it does function here. Still very clear, crisp, you know, on the Elephone A5. Let's come to micro objects. Problem of focusing. I can see the Elephone A5 is struggling to focus. The Xiaomi is not even giving me any sign of focus. I just think, yeah, let's come closer here. Yeah, it did focus. Yeah, I like this. It did focus on the elephant. On the Xiaomi, let's see. No. Okay, a little bit. Okay, yeah, it's focused on the Xiaomi too. So I think that's just about it, to be honest. That's just about it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stop here. So I'm gonna be showing you pictures taken on these devices now. So guys, after watching the video, as you can see, I did make a comment earlier in the beginning of this video that this Elephone A5 is not too bad. I mean, I'm surprised by the footage and the picture quality. You know, for the price, I don't see why I should complain. If you have any phone that can do better than this phone, I'm not praising this phone. I bought this phone with my money, so this one was not given to me. But if you have any phone that you think can do better than this phone, can you please bring it or tell me? I'll get the phone. I'm telling you, for the price, you can't complain. You cannot have a phone of a £180, £140. Are you expecting the quality of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or the quality of the Google Pixel 3 XL or this iPhone XR, iPhone XS Max? You cannot expect the quality. Let's be factual here. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching my video. As usual, I do appreciate your time, and I will see you when I'm making a video. Bye. God bless.